Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review. This is a foundation I received in the mail from Influenster. The foundation is the Healthy Foundation by Physicians Formula. So today I'm just going to review it, of course, and let's get right into it. This is the little box that it came in, and it also came with a information card and of course the foundation. So let's just get right into it. So here's the box that the foundation came in. To get the foundation shade, they actually held a survey. So you go through the survey and you talk about your undertones and your skin tone and all of that. And even though I did the survey to get my right shade for the foundation, I still ended up getting the wrong foundation. So I'm just going to open it up. And it comes with a little like information card so you can know about the foundation. And here's foundation. So this is the Healthy Foundation by Physician Formula. It is a long-wearing, buildable, and breathable foundation that provides lightweight to medium coverage with a healthy satin finish. It also comes with SPF 20 to protect the skin and is available in 16 shades with cool, warm, and neutral undertones. So here's the shade that they sent me. I mean, aside, like next to my face, you can already see that this is not my shade. This is dark neutral 3, and I'm usually a dark, not a deep, but the foundation range does not run so far. So we're just gonna have to make it work, and I still want to test it out since it was sent to me. Ignore the white cast on my face, it's just my primer. So I'm going to start off with a base, and I'm just going to use my Maybelline Superstay Foundation, and I'm in the shade 360. And I'm starting off with a darker shade since the foundation is too light for me, but I still want to test it out and try it, so I'm just going to use it to kind of like highlight my face. Okay, so now that my base is on, I'm gonna swatch the foundation so you can see what it looks like on my hand. And you can see that that is just like entirely too light. I'm gonna swatch some of my concealer shades that I highlight with so you can just see a comparison. This is my ColourPop concealer. And that's my shade tape. So it's lighter than both of those. There's nothing dark about this foundation shade, but I'm just gonna make it work. So the consistency on the hand is very concealer-like. It's very thick. I personally wouldn't use this as a foundation just because it's not watery. It's like, it's thick. It's like a concealer. And this is the type of applicator that it comes with. So it has that doe foot applicator like a concealer would have. So I'm just going to use it like a concealer. So I'm going to blend one side with a sponge, and I'm going to blend the other side with a brush, of course, just to see how it works with both. It looks really nice, actually. I like the way this goes together. So this is before any powder. Overall, I like how it balanced out the orangeness in my foundation. Like, it looks really, really good. As I said before, the consistency of this foundation is really thick. So I'm going to be using it as a concealer, and it just so happened that the shade that they sent me was too light anyway. But it just worked out. I really do like how everything is just balanced. It's not too light. When I was swatching it against my other concealers, it did seem light, but it blended well with my foundation, which probably toned the color down just a little bit. Yeah, I think it's really nice. It blended out well with a sponge and a brush. I would probably, I don't know, I would probably go between both. I'm gonna add a second layer and see how it builds now. Now I'm going to set those highlighted areas with my Beauty Bakery flour powder, and I'm also going to use my Laura Mercier medium deep translucent powder. And for the rest of the face, I'm just going to use my Beauty Bakery flour powder in brown. And I always just use what's in the top. I don't even like get extra because this is enough. So here's the finished product after I put on like lip gloss and just mascara and stuff. I really did enjoy this foundation. Well, I enjoyed using it as a concealer. My thoughts are that I wouldn't use this foundation as a foundation because it's just so thick. Like, even there are some full coverage foundations that are still like watery and easy to spread. Not that this is hard to spread, but it's just too thick for my liking. But if you do like a heavy face and full coverage, then you might like this. I'm going to continue to use the product. I'll just be using it to highlight, so I'll be using it as a concealer. I would definitely compare this to like a high-end concealer. It works really well. The formula is amazing. I like the way it's set under my eyes. Nothing felt too cakey, and it blended well with a brush and a sponge. And it was also buildable. So yeah, I really enjoyed the foundation, and I appreciate Influencer for sending it to me for me to review. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you stay tuned for more. Make sure you subscribe, also like and comment. Talk to you guys later. Now I'm going to set the under eye area. I'm going to be using my beauty. Make sure you guys stay tuned for more. I will be putting. Thank you guys. I'll talk to you later.